Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the query table. So basically you have two types of tables. You have a regular table, which you all know, and we also have a query table. So a query table is when you want to basically focus on one part of the data and then do calculations on it and then use it for different uses. You can use the query table for repeaters, for charts, whatever you need it. Okay, so the way you do it is you basically go and you click on new table and then query advanced table. Let's say bookings last month. Okay, and then you choose the source where it's coming from. Okay, and then that's where you can do filtering. So I said I wanted booking last month, so I'm choosing the booking here. And I can choose also which columns to use. I may not need all the columns, there's a lot of columns. So you can show and hide whatever you don't want. Okay, it will not show you advanced columns, okay, just the basic columns. So let's say I'm going to show only items from, let's say date and time is equal to, and then here I can choose, let's say, here you see all the columns, but what I usually do is I go and let's say last month. That gives me a range for this purpose. Okay, and then I can also say I can put another one. Let's say when status is not cancelled, and I can add as many conditions as I want. Then I can choose how to sort it. And the limit, now there is a limit because it's a query, so it's not going to be unlimited, based on your needs. So for me, I think I will need something like 1,000. All right, and then you choose the time zone for this query. You can set up different time zones for different queries. All right, this is my time zone, I'm going to keep it. And then sorting. Okay, now let's see what we get. So now we get all the, basically it's a query, so it's going to show me all the bookings of last month. Okay, and this is real information with real data. Okay, now that I have all the bookings of last month, I can start doing calculations. So I can use any of the advanced columns to create calculations. I can use functions, connections, lookups, and so on. But it's only going to be done on this list, not on the entire table or the original table. Okay, so that's how you use queries. Another way to start a query is you go and you right click. See, you right click on one of the items and then you choose new query, and you can see it's already pre-populated this table and the columns and so on.